Research work on tree graph theories in DS. First, tree diagram. In probability theory, a tree diagram may be used to represent a probability space. Tree diagram may represent a series of independent event or conditional probabilities. Each node on the diagram represents an event in associativity with the probability of that event. This is the example of tree diagram picture. Next, root. Root. Root tree. A root tree is a tree in which one vertex has been designated the root. The edge of a rooted tree can be assigned a natural orientation either away from the towards the root, in which case the structure become a directed root tree. This is the true root tree example picture. Next, sibling. Nodes which belong the same parent are called a sibling. In other words, nodes with the same parent are sibling nodes. This is the example of picture of node sibling. Next is leaf. A system and leaf display or system and leaf pilot is a device for representing quantitative data in a graphical format similar to a histogram to assess in a visualization the space of a distribution. They evolved from Arthur Bloll's work in the early 1990s are useful tools in explanatory data and analysis. STEM 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In LEAP 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 4, 5, 8, 8, 2, 2, 5, 6, 1, 4, 8, 6. Next is branch. Branching tree diagram are grouped within groups starting at the bottom organism branch of a characterism are added. It ends the way that branching the tree diagram are useful for understanding evolutionary relationship between different organizations. Sem. The example of picture of branch. Next is internal node. An internal node, also known as an inner node, in node for short, or branch node, is any node of a tree that has child nodes similar and external node. Also known as an other node, leaf node, or internal node is an any node that does not have child nodes. This is the example of internal node. A, B, C, D, tips internal nodes, and root. Next is degree. In graph theory, the degree of valency of a vertex of graph is the number of edges that are independent to the vertex in a multi-graph loops are counted twice. The degree of a vertex is denote or 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. This is the example of picture of degree. Next is edge. For under the rated graph, an order pair or node that is specify a line joining these two nodes are said to from an edge. For a directed graph, the edge is an order pair or nodes. This is the example of picture of edge. Next, path. Path diagram are like flowchart. They show variable interconnected with lines that are used to indicate causal flow. Arrow are used to indicate directed relationship or linear relationship between two variables. The picture of example of path. Next, level. Data flow diagram are discomposed or expanded into leveling means separating each processing into sub-processing and also uncovering more details about the processing in each level. Levels contains level F or level 0. This is the picture of example of level. Next, dip. In short, a dip chart, primarily in the United States, is used to show the placement of the starting player and the secondary player. For each the dip chart project, the number of inning each register player will pitch. This the line system in each hockey follows the same structure as a dip chart. This is the example of dip picture. Next is forest. A forest pilot, also known as a Blagoram, is a graphical display of estimated result from a scientific study addressing the same question along with the overall result. The overall method measure of effect is often represented on the pilot as a dashed vertical line. This is the example of forest picture. Height of tree. The height of a node is the length of the longest downward path to a leaf from the node. The height of the root is the height of the tree. The depth of a node is the length of the path to its root. This is the example of height of the tree picture. The last is height of node. The height of node is determined by the total number of edge on the path from the node to further left node, and the height of the tree is equal to the height of the root node. Node depth is determined by the distance between the particular node and the root node. This is the example of the last picture of height of node. That's all. Thank you.